Hey guys! For today's video, I'll be sharing you my review on this 30 Days Miracle Toner from SOMEBYMI. The brand contacted me via mail if I wanted to try their product, and of course, I said yes. And in return, I should make a review on their toner first, but they sent me other products to try. This is the Hydro Max Cream and the Miracle Cleansing Bar. So, I'll be creating different videos on these two products. And since SOMEBYMI is generous enough, they sent me 2 sets of each product. So, one of my lucky viewers will be able to try this set as well. So, wait until the end of the video to know the mechanics and joining the giveaway. Without further ado, let's proceed to my review. SOMEBYMI is a Korean brand which honestly I wasn't familiar about before they contacted me. But I did some research and they are popular for their miracle toner since I've seen a lot of reviews online. This is their HA, BHA, PHA Miracle Toner, and if you are new to these terms, HA helps in exfoliating body waste on the surface of the skin, while BHA removes the body waste and sebum from the face and the pores, and PHA prevents loss of moisture from the skin. They also claim that this toner contains skin-friendly ingredients and has 10,000 ppm of tea tree extracts, which can dramatically improve skin without irritation. Now I will share you my typical and simple skincare routine, and I only use Dove Bar as my facial wash, and then toner, and then apply my nighttime moisturizer. Now let's proceed to the actual application, and for your reference, I have oily combination skin type, oily on my T-zone, and have dry patches on my cheeks. By the way, the scent of this toner is like mint, which is really soothing for me. From afar, my skin looks okay, but actually I have pimple marks on my chin that have been living there for forever, and some small pimples and large pores on my cheeks, and then white and black heads on my nose. So on my first day, I only apply it on the outer part of my face and my nose, just to make sure that my skin won't react on any ingredients in the toner. I also wanted to inform you that prior to my trial of this toner, I already have pimple coming out on my nose and on the top of my lips, so I know that the toner did not cause me breakouts. This is how my skin looks like on day 1, and honestly, before I skipped toner because I'm just afraid to try them, and it was hard for me to find the right toner for my skin type. But it actually helps on deep cleansing my face. On the second day, I already apply it on my entire face, and I'm glad to share you that this has no stinging or burning feeling during application. And on the second day, I already noticed that my skin became brighter. Although the pimples on my nose and on top of my lips were really popping out from day 3 to 5, you will see on the 6th and 7th day clips that this toner helps on drying the pimples faster. On the 4th day, I noticed that the small pimples and redness on my cheeks were gone, and a great improvement on my skin texture since I started using the toner. But regarding my blackheads and whiteheads, the toner removed some but didn't eliminate them 100%. Now on the 5th day, the pimple marks on my chin were lighter and somehow tightened the pores on the sides of my cheeks. By the way, on day 3 onwards, I already resume on applying my nighttime moisturizer. So my 3 steps nighttime skincare routine is actually doing the magic. So I'll just continue using the toner and will soon incorporate the other products on my routine. Before summing up this video, I'll be sharing you the mechanics in joining the giveaway. And number 1 is just subscribe on my channel and follow me on my Instagram account at ruthsilvallana. follow SOMEBYMI on their Instagram account at SOMEBYMI, and just like this post on my Instagram account and just tag 3 of your friends on the comment section. That's it for my review on this 30 Days Miracle Toner from SOMEBYMI, and that is just 7 days of application, and I'm really happy with the improvement of my skin. I will continue using this product and update you guys on the 30th day with a new video or just in my Instagram account. So let's see if it will 100% remove the marks on my skin and tighten my pores. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this one. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Click that bell button, of course, to be notified with my new upload. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye-bye!